What's up, guys? If your Hisense Smart TV keeps on turning on and turning off all by itself automatically and repeatedly, in this video I am going to show you some tips that might help you fix this issue on your own. Now, the first thing you want to do, which will most likely solve the issue, is for you to go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall socket. Just unplug it and wait for about 30 minutes. Don't be impatient, because this is actually us trying to reset the TV. Now, after the 30 minutes, you want to go ahead and plug back the TV to the wall socket, like so. Now, before you go ahead and turn on the TV again, you want to go to the back of the TV and unplug every other cable that is currently plugged to the TV except the power cable. So you just want to go ahead and unplug any HDMI cable or a Type-C cable, whatever cable that is currently plugged to the TV. You want to unplug it because sometimes these issues might actually be caused by just some damaged cable that you probably do not know, and it is actually stopping the TV from turning on properly. And after doing that, you also want to go ahead and look at the power cable of your TV, whether it is damaged or some bonds are on it. So just go ahead and look at your power cable properly, and then after doing all of these, you want to make sure that you try and turn on the TV again. Now, but this time only the power cable should be plugged to the TV. Every other cable should be removed. And if your TV turns on properly, you can now go ahead and start plugging back all other cables to the TV and trying to see which of the cable that is actually causing the TV from turning on and turning off repeatedly. Now, if the previous solution did not work out for you, another thing you want to do is to try and reset your TV just from the back panel of the TV. Now, this is usually the last resort in most cases. So what you want to do is to go ahead to the back panel of your TV and then just look for the reset button on the TV. Now, this does not apply to every Hisense TV, so you may not find it in some models of Hisense TV. But if you go to the back of your TV and you find any label that shows a reset button, you can just use that option to reset the TV. Now, usually it looks like just a hole, and you will need something like a little pin just like this to insert it inside of the reset hole, and once you press the button inside of the hole, your TV will be reset and this issue will be fixed on your TV. Now, trust me, this works majority of the time, but like I said before, it does not apply to all Hisense TV. So you just want to go to the back of your TV and see if there is any label that shows the reset option, or you can also check the other parts of the TV and just see if you have any last resort reset button on your TV. And if it is, then you can just go ahead and use that option to reset the TV. Trust me, majority of the time, this actually solves the issue. Now, finally, if your Hisense Smart TV stays on long enough to enable you access the settings of the TV, what you want to do is to check if there is any timer that automatically turns on and turn off the TV on the settings of the TV. So to do this, you just want to go to the settings of the TV like so, scroll there and then click on the settings icon like so. And then you want to scroll down until you get to the system settings on your TV. Now, in some TV, the location of this might actually differ, but in my case, it is actually the system settings. Now, once I click on system settings, I can now go to the timer settings. Now, on this place, you can see that there is actually a timer here, and if it is turned on, then your TV will automatically turn off or turn on depending on what the timer actually says. So you want to make sure that the power on timer is totally turned off. So if your own is on, you want to make sure it is turned off. And then if your sleep timer is also turned on, you want to go ahead and make sure that that is also turned off on your TV. Trust me, this might actually be the reason why your Hisense TV automatically turns on and turn off by itself. That'll be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.